How to turn on auto dubbing on YouTube? Well, that's very easy. You have to hit your profile icon and head inside YouTube Studio. Once you are inside YouTube Studio, to turn on the auto dubbing, you'll have to go inside settings from the bottom left hand corner. Once inside settings, you'll find here channel. And at not basic info, you'll have to hit advanced settings. Now we'll have to find here, let me see, automatic dubbing. Automatically translate your audio tracks into different languages and add them to your videos. And let's enable this from here. All you have to do is mark this on. And now manually review dubs before publishing. Review the dubs in all languages. I would recommend you to run with this one because the other one is experimental and this can do a lot more errors than the first one. And what this does basically, if I'm located in US, let's say, in this case, and if I publish videos in English and somebody's from Spain is watching my videos, they will be translated automatically into Spanish. So this is what dubbing does. In my opinion, the quality is not high of the dubbing, but this is how to enable it if you want to run your channel with dubbing. And now, of course, you have to press on save.